cyber threats grow more advanced, reliable protection becomes more important every year. Hardware-enforced, raise-the-bar-ready cross-domain solutions are essential to the security of critical missions. XD-Bridge from Owl Cyber Defense is the premier line of cross-domain solutions for United States military and intelligence implementations. The industry's most comprehensive product suite, XD-Bridge solutions address a wide range of use cases and data types, such as streaming data, fixed format data, complex data, voice and video communications, and full-motion video, delivering unmatched flexibility and high performance for cross-domain information transfer. And built with industry-leading hardware and software components, XD-Bridge provides integrated raise-the-bar-ready technology for operational data sharing, available in standard rack-mountable configurations and multiple tactical form factors. And thanks to Owl's proven technology, XD-Bridge is highly cost-effective, requiring minimal professional services or maintenance. Meeting requirements for secret and top-secret environments, XD-Bridge has achieved authorized to operate status for active deployments in the U.S. Department of Defense and intelligence community, and also incorporates hardware-enforced one-way transfer mechanisms, enabling compliance with current and future CDS requirements. Owl Cyber Defense cross-domain solutions have been trusted by the military and intelligence communities for more than 20 years. Contact Owl today to learn more about XD-Bridge.